Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have come up with one more logic building problem, that is to find code through strings. So the problem is we must generate a single digit numeric pin by decoding the string received. So how you are going to generate the numeric pin is, so we are going to add the length of each word of the given string to get the total length, and then we are going to continuously add the digits of total length until we get a single digit. The goal is to generate a numeric digit which is going to be of length 1. This is what how you are going to get the code through strings. I have taken here 3 test cases from which you can understand how you are going to get that particular code from the given string. In the example 1, you can see that the string I have taken is hello world, which is having 2 words. The first word length is 5 and the second word length is 5, whose sum we are getting it as 10, and our goal is to find a single digit code. For that we are once again adding this particular digits of the sum value until we find a single digit. So 1 plus 0, again we are getting it as 1. In example 2, you can see I have taken a string that actions speak louder than words, that is containing 5 words. Again, here you can find whose lengths are 7, 5, 6, 4, 5. On adding all the lengths of these 5 words, we are getting the sum value as 27. Since it is again 2 digits, we are going to perform the individual digit sum, and then we are able to find the single digit code. And lastly, I have taken up a picture is worth 1,000 words, which is having altogether 7 words, and the sum of the lengths of all 7 words is getting 29. Again we are further adding the digits, 2 plus 9, which we are getting it 11. Since again it is a 2 digit number, further we are performing individual digit sum in order to get the single digit code. So this is how you are going to get the code through the strings. So how you are going to implement this particular code? Let me show my code and explain how I have written this particular code. So this is my code. Let me first run through all these 3 test cases and then explain the code. Here I go. Let me copy the input. So you can see hello world, you are getting the output as 1. Let's run the second test case. So for the second test case, you can see the output 9. And let me show with the last one. There you go, it's 2. So this is how you can see all the 3 test cases are getting through. Now coming to the code, as said in my previous videos, you are not going to read this particular lines because you will be getting the input directly. You are going to start writing your code only from here. So the input is going to be a 1-line text containing several words. So I am just splitting all the words and storing in array s, and I have taken 3 of the integer variables, I for loop purpose, sum for calculating the sum, n for the length. And coming to the code, here you can see I am running this particular for loop in order to find the total sum value. This particular block is to find the total length of the given string, that is sum of the word lengths. And then here I am determining if sum is less than 10, I am just displaying that particular sum value. Otherwise, I am checking, I am running the loop as long as the sum value is in 2 digits. That's what this particular while block represents. So while sum greater than 9, that indicates it is 10 or above. And then I am finding that particular sum value, and here you can see again we are performing repetitively by dividing that particular number and calculating the sum. So this particular block continues until we get a single digit number. So this is how I have implemented my code for finding the single digit value from the given string. I hope this code is already optimized, but still if anybody further can be optimize it, you can just post your optimized version in the comment section. That can be helpful for others. I'm giving the descriptions to other logic building videos also. You can just try and utilize them also. I'll come up with one more logic building problem in my next video. Thanks for watching.